Last week, I have no idea what I wanted to draw, so it's quite boring that day. I go through to all my artworks and hoping to find some inspiration that I can use to make new artwork. Until I found this. This is actually my previous artwork, Living in the Dream. But suddenly, I got an idea to animate them. First, we need to isolate each of the layers from different elements in the artwork. And after that, save it in the PNG files. And okay, we're done now. So, but first, before we start animating, I need to know which direction of each element is going. So here is me planning where each of this is going. So the cube, I want it goes up and goes down. And then these crystal balls, I want it to go this round over here. And yeah, it should be over here. And then also, the necklace, just a little bit move. The pen drive, ups and also down. Okay, this candy should be downwards. Okay, that is my planning. Now it is time to animate. Alright, all of these files, open my Adobe After Effects and start to put all the layers accordingly. So first and foremost, what you need to do is to rename all the layers. And then, of course, you need to change the color of the layers also. This is to indicate which layer you are editing. This process takes quite some time because I almost have 20 layers if I'm not mistaken. After some time, I need to have a rest. Maybe some water will good for me. So yeah. And of course, don't forget to always hydrate it when you are doing your work. Alright, let's continue. At this moment, I am experimenting the movement of each element. Trying to adjust which movement is good, which movement is not, and of course I need to make sure each of the elements is moving in a smooth way. usual, adjusting and adjusting until I am satisfied with all the movement inside this artwork. So yeah, this takes quite some time to do it, and it's quite tiring, but I know the result will be so good. So here is the final stage where I have to look at all of these layers and look how it moves. Does it looks okay in my eyes or does it not? And for sure, I have to make sure that each of the elements is moving in a balanced space so that it's fulfill the space in according to what I want. And yeah, rendering. So now it's time to render all of these layers to become one MP4. Here it is, animated living in the dream.